It's actually causing, in my personal opinion, a complete change in how people view education, and teachers changing and viewing what they can do in the classroom. Everything is becoming so intuitive that they can create in a moment's fly with their lessons and make anything happen they want in that moment. Smart bringing in, you look at the software and there's a homeschool connection. If you are doing blended learning and you do an activity, say using Lumio, that connects the student and the school and the parent and the student back to the school.
Smart gives us the ability to use the technology that they have created to meet those kids when they're not able to be in this building. Or even when they are in the building, it gives them an avenue to be creative, to learn new things, to see things that even though we'd love to be able to take them to see, they can go online and the teacher can push out lessons to them. They can see things and learn things that maybe they wouldn't have been able to see before. Smart is our kind of like our go-to method to get the job done in a much more efficient way for us. We can give kids what they need at the touch of a finger just by clicking a button.